Hello children, in today's class we are going to learn about asexual reproduction in animals. It is a type of reproduction which involves the production of new organisms by just one parent. It does not require two sexes, that means two parents that are male and female parents are not needed. Male and female parents, if they are involved in the production of their young one, we call it as sexual reproduction. But asexual reproduction, only single parent is able to produce his or her own kind. The offspring means the young one that arise by asexual reproduction from a single cell or from a multicell organism will inherit the genes of that parent. Genes of single parent will be inherited by the young one or offspring. Asexual reproduction can be of different types. In plants, if you remember last year we have learnt about asexual reproduction in plants can be by vegetative propagation, budding, fragmentation, spore formation, etc. Similarly, in animals also we have budding. That one of the example, budding in hydra. Hydra is a aquatic animal that lives in water. It does not have backbone. It is an invertebrate. So the shape of the hydra you can see in the diagram given here. It is cylindrical in shape. Cylindrical means it is somewhat cylinder shaped. It has got at the head, at one end it has got some outgrowths. We call that as tentacles, which act as fingers for capturing the food. So on the side of the body, as the hydra grows, on the side of the parent hydra, we can see some extra growth has taken place here. This extra growth, that is called as bud. That bud starts developing into a young hydra. And once the hydra is formed here, that gets detached and a new daughter hydra or young hydra is formed separately from the mother hydra. So here this reproduction we call it as budding, because here bud-like outgrowth can be seen on the side of the body of hydra, which grows into young hydra, and that newly formed hydra gets detached from the mother hydra and grows into a new hydra. So this kind of asexual reproduction we call it as budding. The second one you can see here, second method of asexual reproduction is binary fission in amoeba. Binary means two. Fission means breaking. How does amoeba reproduce? Amoeba is a single-celled organism. Once the amoeba grows completely into a fully grown cell, the nucleus starts dividing into two. The nucleus present in the parent amoeba grows into two parts. Nucleus is divided into, second diagram, nucleus divided into two parts. So you can see here two nuclei are formed. Each nuclei will move to two edges, and the cell body also divides into two parts. Nucleus has divided, similarly the cell also divides into two parts, and each part will get one nucleus. So thereby the two parts get separated. That means single mother cell broken into two daughter cells. That's why it is called as binary fission. Binary means two, fission means breaking. Breaking of mother cell into two daughter cells is called as binary fission, or splitting of mother cell into two daughter cells is called as binary fission. Sometimes in some cases we can even see multiple fission. Multiple means from single mother cell many new young ones or new daughter cells are produced. Here daughter does not mean that is female, just young one of that mother, we call them as daughter. Instead of saying son, don't think so they are male or female like that. Okay, so in that way we can see here single mother, single parent cell is able to produce its own kind. So this kind of reproduction where a single mother is able to produce its young one, we call it as asexual reproduction. Okay, with that today we will wind up. In the last class I will be teaching you about what is cloning, how a young one can be produced by the method of